Just minutes from the center of historic Charleston, located in the heart of Mount Pleasant, Ion neighborhood offers a unique blend of European vibe with the laid-back lifestyle of the South. This custom brick home with over 5,000 square feet is situated on a large corner lot and is perfectly designed to entertain family and friends. With an open living floor plan and huge kitchen with an expansive center island that has seating on all three sides, commercial-style appliances, 2 wine coolers, this home offers the ideal setting to host both intimate and large gatherings. One of my favorite features about the home is how the living space surrounds the saltwater pool and courtyard. Other rich details include heavy crown moldings, coffered ceilings, and beautiful walnut floors. The master bedroom is located on the main level and has beautiful views of the courtyard and pool, and it has cathedral ceilings, dual walk-in closets, and a luxurious master bath. Ion is a thoughtfully planned neighborhood where residents can live in a close-knit community convenient to everything the Lowcountry has to offer while being immersed in nature. Here you can explore the surrounding saltwater creeks, stroll the paths along the marsh walk, or head over to Ion Square where you can enjoy shopping, boutiques, and restaurants. A perfect place to meet up with friends for lunch or cocktails and dinner. The neighborhood is also rich in recreational activities, with the Ion Club offering tennis, swimming, fitness center with classes, and a restaurant. The club is just a wonderful place for families to come together, be healthy, and have a great time. Come experience the extraordinary quality of life and be surrounded by like-minded people in one of the country's most beautiful regions, and live the lifestyle you deserve at 161 North Shelmore Boulevard in Ion.